Start emergency gear.
See, that's why you don't get a Tesla. You're going to be lumped into all these fucking Tesla drivers that at 6 o'clock, or at 7 o'clock, sign.
Start emergency gear.
I did when I saw him coming. Like going like that all the way behind me. You can't, like, too worried. So she must be on auto drive and she ain't looking at the road at all. She was like looking down like that. Hey.
Start emergency gear. Start emergency gear.
Follow them right through the stop sign.
Start emergency gear.
Is that a gymnastics move? Could be. We'll find out, I guess, in a minute. Is that dancing on the board? Also, could be. Okay. I'll let you one.
Start emergency gear.
Well, otherwise known as EDL.
Start emergency gear.
I feel good about this because it seems like a lot of times these numbers are being happened to like 11. Yeah. See, I was following online with everything that you were talking about, and like, hey, might be okay here. Start the sizzle.
Start emergency gear.
Earlier that afternoon.
Do you ever get my friend request or whatever? But there's like people like adding me, and I don't know who the fuck they are. They're like spam.
And they add you without like.
Start emergency gear. Start emergency gear.
Like John in the troubled lives I brought with me from the storm, unhooked Newt, and got it become. There was enough peripheral light from the headlights for me to easily see the door to Marty's mobile home, and I walked up to it and knocked several times as hard as I could. I kept staring at the boards as I waited between knocks, and my eyes played tricks on me,
Start
making
emergency gear.
the shadows that looked like someone emerging from the dark and bound tomb. I got back into the car and drove to the old landing, where I'd met Marty the other morning. His truck was still parked with space.
Start emergency gear.
He said it was proof that Napoleon's gold was down there. Do you still have it? She shook her head.
Dot
turned around to
emergency
flip
view.
into the boat, but hit the edge, fell back into the water. He said it was no big deal because they would likely
Oh shit. Oh, it looks like they're getting on the highway. I don't know if you can see that way up there, but it is a literal fucking high-speed car chase right here. Oh shit, he's gonna run in front of my car! No fucking way! Oh goddamn, there he goes! Oh my god! I can't believe this is happening right now. Okay, I'm sorry. Shit! Shit!